Say, what are you supposed to do if you might have a back injury and it's raining outside like this? Well, you go back inside like a smart person and you make yourself a brand new dish using that Ninja NeverStick cookware. It's gonna be a skillet omelet for you today. Let's get started and go in out of this crap. I got fresh ingredients, guys. When you're going to do a big skillet 4-egg omelet, you gotta have simple ingredients, but as you can see, there's not a lot. Right over here, I cut up an Idaho baking potato, soaked it for almost an hour. You know, you get some of the starch out of there. And by the way, these are not hash browns, they're home fries, okay? Hash browns, we invented those things in Georgia, okay? They're shredded. 4 big eggs, delicious. There's your cheddar cheese, which I always like. I got myself a sweet onion today. And these are these brown and served sausage links that you see. I'm gonna cut those up into pieces. There's our Cholula hot sauce, which I really enjoy, and our seasoning. How about some Frag out flavor? Salty Sergeant. It's for salty, steak, and burger, but it's also going to go good on everything that we're using today. I can put it on the eggs, the potatoes, and everything. Ooh, let's get that big Ninja pan out and get started. Oh yeah, good people, we are back, and look at the Ninja NeverStick cookware. That is the 3-quart saute pan, the premium line, which is just absolutely wonderful. No butter, no oil, nothing sticks to it, and you're about to find that out because we're going to start with our potatoes first. There they go, all in there at one time. Gonna get those slightly mixed up just a little bit. And start browning these things off. I usually put everything mostly towards the center when I get my seasoning moving like that, as these start to cook. And there goes your Frag out flavor on your potatoes. Stir that around. Great seasonings. The Salty Sergeant works just perfect with just about anything. And the good thing about my friends at Frag Out Flavor, they've got all kinds of different seasonings for all kinds of things. And through some experimentation, just lost one of my potatoes. I found out that they do good on things like this when you're starting out. Let these go for a little bit. There you go. All right, cool cats. Check that out. Just a few minutes later, got some good color on our potatoes. So now in's gonna go our sausage. We got those chopped up just like that. And remember, we're still on medium heat. Always preheat your Ninja NeverStick, by the way. Get that stirred in also. Mixed in. There we go. Gonna let that go just a few minutes. Our onion's gonna come in next. There we go. Looking good on the color on that sausage. Wow. You guys ready for some onion? There you go. There's that onion. Stir just a touch like that. And then we'll toss just a touch. Gonna get those flavors combined. Onion, sausage, the potatoes, everything really starting to smell good and come together. This is so good so far. Okay guys, it's been about 5 minutes now and I've got my eggs ready to go here. Look at that, there you go. Beat them lightly, you don't need a whole lot of beating right there. And what I'm gonna do is turn my heat down. It's on medium. I'm going down to kind of a medium low because I don't want to overcook the eggs too fast. I want them to cook kind of slow. Wow, there you go. Got some egg in there, and I've got my spatula. You can still use your wooden spoon like I was using earlier. Mix everything in as you're going around like that. And you can form it out like an omelet if you want to. You can use it as a scramble. You can scramble everything up here. So what I'm going to do today is mix everything just like that. See how it's starting to already cook? And you've got a pretty thin layer of egg down there. And I already got a touch more of the Frag Out flavor seasoning in there. We're gonna let that cook just a little bit. So as it starts to firm up. Oh yeah, already cooking. And you can see right here, it's pulling away from the sides, which is what you want. There we go. And of course, now after another minute or so, watch this Ninja NeverStick perform, guys, as I give it just a little shake. The whole, see that? How it just comes right off. It's not sticking to anything. This side, down here, just perfect. And our omelet is starting to cook. I decided, you know, it's making an omelet. If you want to make it a scramble, like I said, go right ahead. How about we throw that cheese in there now, guys? Look at this. The cheddar, how much do you like? I'm covering the entire top of it like that. Let's get that in there. Really, really good. You want to add some more? Go for it. You want to add some less? Different kinds of cheese, all kinds of stuff goes with your breakfast type foods and your eggs. And what I'm going to do now, shut the heat off, as you just heard. Put a top on it. And now, with the top on our Ninja NeverStick pan, we can keep an eye on it and watch our cheese melt. Clever. May I present, ta-da, our finished product. Guys, come on. I mean, you gotta admit, that looks wonderful. It's completely cooked down. The cheese is melted perfectly. And our omelet mixture down there, watch this. It's almost separated. Let's put it on a plate and serve this thing up. You guys ready? Woo! Our Ninja NeverStick pan. I'm going to use my spatula to help us out because we have some high sides on a saute pan. That's not that big of a deal, guys. And we're going to put it right out here, just like that. See how it broke? Guess what? I don't care because that's how we're going to serve it. Right here. There you go. So we ended up with 2 servings. Awesome. I'll take that. And so you have a breakfast scramble, you have an omelet, whatever you want to call it. Oh, wow. Are we done yet? We're not. Because you know what we left out? Some of that Cholula. Just like that. Right across the top. I love good hot sauce on eggs or an omelet. What do you say we put a little color on there? Is there some parsley coming down? That's what that is. Wow. Looking good. I'm almost ready to eat. Gotta get a picture of that. Check out that finished product, guys. Got a little omelet on that side. Got a little breakfast scramble on this side. And all those flavors have come together so good. The potato, the onion, eggs, and your sausage. It smells so good in here. And once you top it off with that Cholula and the hot sauce, combined with that Frag out flavor, salty sergeant, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Looking really good. Got to get myself a fork and get something to eat. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm not going to miss anything else, and I'm going to be cooking here pretty soon. That looks so good. Let's dig in, have some good food. See you cool cats next time.